Once upon a time, Jacob and Akira was sleeping. And Jacob woke up and Jacob woke up. Akira, wake up! So this is Akira, everybody. Hello! And I'm the YouTube channel. And let's go to the kitchen.
Yes.
At the kitchen. Let's go eat now, everybody. I got this blue egg, and Akira gets a purple egg, and Akira gets a pink egg. Let's cook it now. A few moments later. Okay, it's time now. Okay, it's time to eat. Put it in a plate. And we're done. Let's go play outside. Outside.
Naglalaro ng bola, tapos ako na
We're playing ball, and Jacob and Akira was playing ball, and Jacob jumped up and fly away, and then I do this, and and Jacob lost his ball, and Jacob cried.
Why are you crying?
And Akira told him, why is he crying? And said, my ball is gone.
I'm going to.
And okay.
This one.
Yay, my ball! Yay!
That is so sticky.
No, it's not.
But mine is hard.
Yeah. Wow! And that was the end of Jacob and Akira.